If you are asked to solve for x in this nice Olympiad maths exam question, I know the first thing your mind will go to is to clear the fourth root. Of course, that's a very good idea. To clear the fourth root, we are going to have x to the power of 1 divided by 4, right? And that will be equal to negative 4. Now, think. Can you reduce this further without the use of logarithm or natural logarithm? I keep wondering. Keep watching and join me as we solve this question. Let's look at what we'll do after taking or converting the fourth root to a fractional root. Now, if we do that, we are going to have that expression to automatically give us x to the power of 1 divided by 4, right? And that will be equal to negative 4. Now at this point, you'll be wondering, what do I do from this point? Now at this point, I want you to reason out two things. From this point, I can look at this expression such that I can easily isolate the negative from the 4. Now remember the complex number, that in complex number, if I have a negative, square root of negative 1 is equal to I, right? Good. Now that will definitely give me negative 1 if the I becomes what? I square. Now in this expression, what if I decide to isolate the negative from the 4? And that will give me negative 1 multiplied by 4, right? Good. So if I have negative 1 multiplying 4, from that expression, my negative 1 is I square. So that is simplified, right? My negative 1 is I square. So I can replace that to become what? 4I square. Great. And that will give me I to the power of 1 divided by 4. Now what do you do from here? Now from this expression, I can simply simplify this expression to give me 2 to the power of 2, right? Multiply by I square. And this will give me x to the power of 1 divided by 4. And you know, our chief goal is to find the value of x. Now applying the laws of indices, from the law of indices, if I have a to the power of x multiplying b to the power of x, same index, different base, I can have this to give me a multiplying b and all multiplying same index, right? So if I treat the right hand side that same way, I'm going to have that to become 2 multiplied by I all to the power of 2, right? And this will give me x to the power of 1 divided by 4. Great. Now what do you do from here? At this point, I have to simplify further. Now to simplify further, having or simplify this to this point, I want to clear the fractional power on the right hand side. So what do? I will have to multiply both sides by the power of 4. That will solve that issue. So if I have this to become x to the power of 1 divided by 4, right? If I multiply this by the power of 4, I'll still come over here to have this to become 2 multiplied by I all to the power of 2, and then I can multiply this by the power of 4. Now if I have that expression, you can see that the index can multiply, and so I'll have x to the power of 1 divided by 4 multiplying 4, and this will be equal to 2I, right, multiplying 2 multiplied by 4. And this expression will give me 2I to the power of 8 while this one will give me 4, cancelling out 4. Voila, and that will give me what? The value of my x. Great. So the value of my x in that expression will automatically become 2 multiplied by I all to the power of 8. That seems easy, and that seems to be the solution to that expression given to us up there. Now what I'm going to do now is to check if my solution is actually right. We want to verify. We're giving the fourth root of x equal to -4. But before we do that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more unique maths content. We do love you too. If you can give us super thanks, we will appreciate that. Now from this expression, what you desire to do is to find the value of the fourth root of x, right? The fourth root of x equal to -4 at the value of x equal to 2i to the power of 8. Now if I look at that expression, I will now insert the value of 2i to the power of 8, and that will give me the first root of 2i to the power of what? Of 8. Will that simply give me a -4? Now let's check that out. If I check that out, you will see that I can expand that, and if I expand that, I'm going to have 2i to the power of 8 multiplying 1 divided by 4. Will this be equal to a -4? Let's check out. 4 this way will give me 1, while 4 this way will give me 2, right? And that is going to give me 2i to the power of 2. Will this give me my result to be a -4? Let's try that out. Now we'll find out from the law of indices that we can expand this to give me 2 square multiplied by the I square, and this will be equal to -4. Will this give me -4? 2 square is going to give me 4 multiplying. Now remember what we say I square is. I square is equal to a -1. Great. Now if we insert -1 over there, that is going to give me a -1. Will it be equal to -4? Of course it will. 4 times -1 will give me -4, and this is equal to -4. So that simply tells me that x equal to 2i all to the power of 8 is the solution that satisfies that math expression given to us up here. Great. Now I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. I do want to hear from you, so drop your comment in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.